Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. They never even looked my way until I honked the horn. This driver decides to drive the wrong way down the road. This idiot blocks the road.
A few moments later.
Not if I ram my way through to go straight.
Video protected.
Running a red turn light with a cop behind you isn't the best move.
Oh, ha, damn, brother, that was stupid. You
This driver turned a bit too earlier here. Teenager pulled out without looking, resulting in a crash. Road rage on a whole other level.
What's up, G? What the
I'm confused with what's going on here. Is it that hard for the driver to just pull over? I watched this clip 100 times and it looks more chaotic each time. Wow, that was close. Watch where you're going, bro. I'm glad I got the dash cam last week.
One eternity later.
He saved 3 seconds. This driver almost caused an accident. How to deal with a busy traffic jam. Low traffic areas where accidents are least expected.
Bro. You're dumb.
Please tell me where this is so I can avoid it.
What, the guy just cut you off or what? Did he hit you?
I hit him.
It's his road, actually. We're just driving on it. Comment if you know where this is. They almost lost their Lamborghini. No signal and sudden turn? Perfect. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.